let's get started. That was weird. Let's get started. Let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Sevohnalexis and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying a cut crease. I have never done a cut crease. Well, I think I tried it for prom or like homecoming or something, but it was a fail. So I'm gonna try again because I really want to do it, and like when people do it like on YouTube, it looks so easy. Like there's like and it's done. Like I don't get it. Like obviously I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't like know all the like tips and tricks of the trade. So I'm gonna try it today, and I'm really excited because I like have a good feeling about it, but I'm also really scared because I don't want this to be a fail video. I'm talking so fast. Calm down. So I'm gonna try today. I'm really nervous, but I thought I would record it because like, you know, like I'm just a normal girl, and like we don't know how to do these like fancy tutorials and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try it with you guys so we can see if it actually is as easy as it looks or if it's really hard and everyone's just lying about it. So let's get started. Oh, what am I doing? Pulled you guys up a little bit so you can see, but this is not a tutorial, so do not follow my steps, okay? Because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do like the transition shade in my crease. I saw on the thing like she said like to flick it like that. I really don't even know. I'm scared. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of a darker color and put it. I'm so scared. I'm like trying to like keep my eye open, but like maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just like, oh, I don't know. So I'm just gonna like do it. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit darker. Oh my god, I'm just freaking out. I don't understand how they like flick it out at the end. Like that's what I'm having trouble with. I don't get it. I switched brushes and now I'm gonna go even darker. Oh, I feel like this looks so bad. It looks stupid. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use this like super dark brown. Okay, it looks a little bit better. I don't know. I'm just gonna like, I'm gonna cut it now. I don't know. So I'm gonna take my concealer on there's like none left, and put it on my flat brush. Pretty sure nothing's coming out. I have like no concealer left, so this might not even work. I just remembered I have this contour palette that has concealer in it. I literally have no makeup here at home. Like, it is so annoying. I'm so dumb. Like, I will never do this again. I think this is like a highlight shade, but it's gonna have to work. not. It looks like something. I need to look at like at a picture or something. Okay, so she like followed like where she would do like her eyeliner, so I'm gonna try to do that. Oh my god, I think I did it. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna do like a nude color. I'm gonna do the color that I put in my crease as a transition shade. Oh, I don't like that color. I think I did something. I don't know. I'm gonna put glitter on it because I feel like it looks weird like with the nude. Taking this really pretty gold shade and I'm just gonna put that on my lid where I put the scrap. And then I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna put like the dark brown like right on the line, like in between, like you know how they do. Okay, I think this was a success. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back and we will see like what it looks like with the liner and the mascara and all that. So I did this eye, put on eyeliner and mascara, and this is the finished look. I am so proud of myself. Like, I did it. Like, I'm pretty sure I did it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Get excited. I think I did it. I'm really proud of myself. I think it looks really good. I would definitely like it if they were like different colors. I don't really like the glitter on the lid, and if I used a lighter concealer and not a cream highlight, then the lids would definitely look a little bit better. But I also need to work on my blending and my crease, but I'm really proud of myself. Like, it's almost like Instagram worthy. Like, I'm so proud of myself because I honestly thought that this was gonna be a fail video and I was really scared, but it turned out okay, so I'm really happy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to try something you've never tried before, whether it be like hiking or yoga or doing a cut crease or contouring your nose or putting on lip gloss. Like, hope it just inspires you to get out of your box. That is one of my goals for 2018, is to get out of my shell and try new things and be adventurous. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!